Is it time to buy or sell Damon common stock? In this video, we will explore in depth Damon common stock. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 3rd of January 2025, our system has ranked Damon common stock as a sell candidate, resulting in a score of -4.75. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has faced a loss of 99.57%. This equates to an average loss of 1.42% per day since it was identified as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of -99.52% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -100% to -99.52%. Our latest daily update for Damon common stock includes the headline, Significant Movements in Damon Incorporated Common Stock Price on Tuesday, shifting 27.78% between high and low. The Damon Incorporated common stock price decreased by 11.63% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, falling from 0.0043 to 0.0038. During that day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 27.78% with a low of 0.0036 and a high of 0.0046. In fact, the price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and has dropped by 68.33% during this period. Interestingly, volume decreased on the last day along with the stock, which is generally a positive indicator as volume should correlate with stock price movements. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 1 billion shares, leading to a total of 588 million shares exchanged for roughly $2.23 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $4.95, while the lowest price was $0.0029. Currently, the price is 99.92% or $4.95 below the 52-week high of $4.95, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Damon Incorporated, trading under the symbol DMN, is making significant strides in the electric motorcycle sector. Recently, the company announced it will present at the Planet Microcap Showcase in Las Vegas on the 23rd of April, highlighting its innovative developments and strategic collaborations. This increased visibility could enhance investor interest and support short-term stock growth. Furthermore, Damon has partnered with the renowned Italian engineering firm Engines Engineering to accelerate the development of its hypersport race electric motorcycle. This collaboration not only promises a faster market entry, but also ensures capital-efficient product development, which is critical for a company seeking to optimize its resources in a competitive landscape. In March, Damon successfully closed an upsized public offering of $16,500,000, strengthening its balance sheet and enabling execution of its multi-vertical revenue strategy. Such financial maneuvers can instill investor confidence, paving the way for potential long-term stock appreciation. Overall, these developments position Damon as a strong contender in the personal mobility sector, potentially influencing its stock price positively, both in the short and longer term, especially as it continues to innovate and expand its market presence. Analysts have assigned Damon common stock a general sell rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy, while the price-to-book ratio is regarded as a strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Damon common stock. Today, the stock is presenting mixed signals. Damon Incorporated's common stock shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal due to the long-term average being positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of 0.0078 and 0.0916. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price on the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk since volume typically aligns with price movements. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, April 11, 2025, and thus far, it has risen by approximately 22.58%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal emerging from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal observed 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, a sell signal detected 28 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average, a sell signal noted 67 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop-loss analysis for Damon, a common stock. On the downside, the stock identifies support just below today's level, stemming from accumulated volume at 301/10,000ths of a dollar. Without support from accumulated volume below this level, the risk is heightened. A decline beneath this support could lead to a significant drop in the stock price. This stock exhibits considerable movement within the day, indicating high volatility, and with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 1/10 of a cent between its high and low, representing a movement of 27.78%. Throughout the last week, the stock has recorded a daily average volatility of 50.88%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Damon common stock, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the P/E ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low P/E ratio could indicate either a low expectation for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Damon common stock. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Damon common stock is at 0.0042. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a moment to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Damon common stock encounters its first support level at 0.0031. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Damon common stock from various analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 4th of December, 2024, when Damon Inc executed an insider purchase of 0 shares of common shares. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Damon common stock a good investment? Damon Incorporated common stock presents several negative indicators, and we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative assessment of this stock. Our analysis has been updated from a strong sell recommendation to a sell candidate. Upon assessing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 16th of April, we expect Damon common stock to open higher by 2/10,000ths of a dollar, beginning trading at 4/100ths of a dollar. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading. and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.